it is a sound amplifier. I will show you how this works. So this is the normal sound which you can hear. And this is when I put it in the amplifier. See the difference? Yes. That's how it works.
So let's see what is the project that we are going to do today. Okay, so we are going to do something very interesting, okay, which you would definitely love because each of us liked it as well. Okay, so what are we going to do is we are going to have a sound amplifier project. Okay, so what is a sound amplifier? Like, phone sound amplifier. So let's see, how a simple sound amplifier works so that, we can understand how to do it. So I'm going to play the video for you. You can hear the sound, which is very feeble right now, which is being played by the mobile phone. And can you see the difference in sound? As soon as you place it in the sound amplifier, what happens? Right. So this is a sound amplifier. It's very cool, right? We have seen a lot of speakers and surround systems, but this is a very cool project where you can just like that amplify the sound that is coming from your mobile phone. Correct? Yes. So is it possible to build something like this on our own? Do you think we can build something like this today? Yes?
Yes, I think. Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, we can do it. So all you kids have the materials ready today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to begin now. Hope you kids are ready with all your materials. Okay, great. So these are the materials that we need. Okay, so hope you kids are having this. A couple of A4 sheets and a Fevicol or a Fevistick and 2 to 3 paper cups and a marker or a sketch pen, as well as a pair of scissors, right? So you children are having it ready. If you don't have it ready, do not worry, right? You can also, write down what we are doing now and you can do it. You can use any type of glue stick, no problem, right? And for kids who don't have things ready, make sure that, you are getting the things ready for tomorrow's class, right? You would be getting the list of materials required by today evening itself. So make sure that you keep it ready before the next class. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to see step by step on how we are going to do it. You need to take 2 sheets. Okay. 1 and 2. Right. And keep them together and you have to roll them up. You have to roll them together. You have to keep 2 sheets and you have to roll them together. Okay. Once you roll them together, you need to take your Fevistick or a Fevicol, whatever you have, right? And you need to stick the end of the paper so that, the rolled one doesn't come out. Okay, you can use any type of glue. You can use Fevistick or you can use Fevicol, right? And you can roll them up and hold them for some time so that, they get stuck really well. And if you want, you can apply some more glue to it. So that, it sticks really well. next step we want, right? For this, we need to use the cups. Okay. So children, take 2 cups and keep it ready. So what are we going to do now? We are going to first take the cups, keep them separate, and we have rolled the paper, right? So we are going to place the roll in one of the side, and we are going to mark the hole, like how big the hole should be. Yes, you can use the big cups as well. Yes. Okay. On both the cups. Yes. Have you all marked the, holes that should be cut on both the papers? Yes. And if you're really young and you don't know how to use scissors or cutters, please make sure that you take help from your parents or someone elder, right? So that, you can do it properly. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to cut off the portion that you have marked. Make sure that you cut it properly, because, and make sure that, you are not, damaging your fingers. Okay. And once you do it, slowly you can start cutting. So kids in the hot seat, are you also following? Are you doing it? Any doubts?
No, sir, we are doing it.
Oh, great, great. Yes, you have to cut out the circles. Do it slowly, because this is the most important step. Children, be careful when you're using the scissors or cutters. Right. So just launched one poll question. So please reply. Have you done rolling the papers? How many of you have done it, and how many of you are still doing it? Now let's go to the next step. Okay. So now Adishar will tell, how to do this. Okay. Take the rolled one, and you can take any mobile phone that you have in your house, like your father's, mother's, or anyone, or which one you are going to use. And you need to mark the shape of the mobile phone in the center. Make sure that, you are marking it in the middle of the rolled paper. Okay, so draw, and as you can see, right? So first you need to draw the shape of the mobile phone in the paper, as you can see, right? And then you need to cut that portion as well. Make sure that you are cutting it slowly and properly, because this is very important. That is how our phone will be placed inside, right? So make sure that you're doing it slowly. Yes, so the all our mobile phones will have speaker either in the top or bottom, right? So make sure that the place where speaker is there should go inside the paper. So that's why you need to cut it properly. So Soham, you have done this. Are you doing it?
I'm doing.
Okay, great. Sanjita, what about you?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, great. Do let me know if you guys, if your children needs any help. Okay.
Sir, I have done, sir.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I have also done.
Oh, very nice, Vishwa. This is properly inserted into the cups. So do it very slowly, right? Make sure that, it is properly inserted. It should be little tight. It should be like that. So make sure that, you are doing it quite slowly. Okay.
This is the.
Very nice. So can you rotate the cups like this?
Sir, it is working.
It's working.
Yes.
Very nice. You kids are selecting the awesome songs. Good, good, good.
Sir, can I show now?
Yeah, you can show yours. Wait. So just rotate the cups. So if you rotate the cups like this, it will also act like a holder for your mobile. Just rotate the cups like this. Your cups should be placed like this. So when you children do it right, it can also hold your phone, right? So you don't have it's like a phone holder as well. So you can just play the song. Yeah, the cup should be placed towards the ground. Rotate the cup. Just rotate the cup.
Like this?
No, the cup. So you have the cup like this, right? Yes, very good. Yes, now your mobile also will stand. No, not like that. It should be placed on the side. Yes, very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Nice. It's working right, Krishna. I can also see there's one more speaker. So your sibling also done one more project, is it? You made two. Okay, cool, cool, great. So did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is one small hack to it. Okay. So, okay, you can take a strip of paper like this. Okay. And apply glue to it, and you can stick the sides, or you can use a cello tape as well, right? You can either apply glue to the paper and stick the side so that there is no space between the paper and the cup, then it will amplify much better. Or you can use a paper tape or a cello tape and you can close it as well. Okay, so this one you can try it after the class and see, how much effective it is. Okay, children.